Today is Vlogmas. I got a couple meetings today. We are on a work day, okay? It's 10:45. I got a meeting in 15 minutes. So in that 15 minutes, I just want to catch up with you guys, and I want to also make my coffee. Well, I just canceled one of my meetings because my assistant, she's doing something right now. So we just changed that to tomorrow. So I only have one meeting at 11, and then I have another meeting at 2. So I kind of got like a open day, not really open. I use Mondays as like my grounding day. It's the day where I'm figuring out all my tasks. I take all my meetings. I just like to know what the week is gonna look like on Monday. So that's when I just like, you know, talk to everybody, schedule everything, put things into perspective for the week, and just kind of plan. And then Tuesday, sometimes Tuesdays is a mix of like meetings and also like other things. I do have 2 meetings tomorrow. Why do I have 2 meetings tomorrow? But I was also trying to do a photo shoot at 12. So tomorrow's meeting will be at 11:30, 12. So I just had to kind of fix that. I'll have my assistant do it. And so yeah, today the house is looking pretty cute. I actually want to put up my tree a little later, so hopefully I get time to do that, because I am trying to actually like get dressed and go somewhere a little later too. So but I really want to put up my tree today. Like, I want to do it. I just went shopping for everything and I just want my tree up, you know. Let's make my coffee and we'll get on my meeting. Like, my expectations are so high that nothing is pleasing me. Like, yeah. I'm like, no, like, we need to deliver. So now everything I'm kind of seeing is kind of like, I don't know, yeah. You know. But that was kind of like at the beginning, middle of the week, and I took like the end of this weekend to take like the pressure off of me. And so I'm gonna kind of start over and just kind of be a little more graceful. Like, I know that when it comes to your followers, like, whatever you put out, they love. So I think you just need to like be a little bit less hard on yourself, and it'll be fine. Yeah. That's something you're gonna learn about me. I'm really hard on myself. Like, okay, I'm the exact same. It's so same bad here. So let me give you a few more updates. We reached out to the copywriter. All right, you guys, so I just got off my meeting. Really good meeting for Karen and Rita. Big things are about to happen. I am so excited for Karen and Rita. This 2024 is on its way, okay? We got a couple more weeks and it's about to be a vibe. Just know that Karen and Rita is just gonna go far, you know. I'm just thinking about everything. I have a lot to do. I gotta like kind of write down, make a list of some models that I want to hire. I need to start sampling more products, so I'm kind of gonna do that today. I kind of have like a free day today. If this was any other day, I would be on another meeting right now, but you know, cancel that. I just got off of my second call. Well, that was like 30 minutes ago. I'm actually about to season my chicken. I'm gonna just make some chicken so that I have some food in the house. I just scheduled a night out with my friends Justin and Bash. We're gonna meet up at Pergola. I guess just have like a night. I have been literally working from my phone all day. So yeah, let's season this chicken. Alright guys, I am finished cooking. I made yellow rice and this is the chicken. You guys, this is the best chicken I have ever made. I mean, my chicken and my salmon be bomb. I'm about to dig in, and then after that I'm gonna get dressed, so I'm gonna eat. I'm about to chow down. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm finally done eating. It's now time to get ready. I think everyone's like wearing sweatsuits, so I'm probably gonna like wear something simple. I'm not gonna get too crazy, especially because it's like the beginning of the week, so I don't have to like do too much, even though I do want to take pictures, but I think everybody's like chilling today. I'm gonna do my makeup and we're gonna head out the door. So I'm ready. I have no clue why I just got in a bad mood. Hopefully when I see my friends I get cheered up a little bit. I don't know, just realized I'm forgetting my headphones, but yeah, I'm about to leave. I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so I'm finally home. I had the time of my life. I just feel like I just like needed that. Like, I got to link with my best friends. I got to talk about everything life. We be all busy, so like we don't get to talk about life that much. Like, we don't get to link up the way we did today. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I didn't wash my face, but I'm gonna wash it tomorrow morning, so you guys will see that. And I love you guys so much. I had so much fun today. I feel like I didn't really get to vlog while I was out, but you know, it was very intimate. So it's hard to vlog when it's like an intimate space, because it's like you're just being real, you know? You don't think about a camera, and that's just what it is. Like, I want you guys to be a part of my life, but you just don't think about those things. But because of that, I'm gonna be linking with my friends all week. So I hope you guys enjoy this whole Vlogmas. Make sure you guys tune in, and I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. I think I hear the